Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Fitri Haikal bin Hai Rizal from BMMA Section 2/1. Today, my team and I are going to talk about our project Mini Atomizer. So, the purpose of this project is to develop a mini atomizer and to prove the theory of Bernoulli principle. By the end of this project, we will know how this mini atomizer obeys the Bernoulli principles.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. I am Abdul Hayy. Today I want to explain about air atomization.
What is air atomization? First of all, atomize is splitting up a large body into small and discrete particles. And air atomization is when we need air pressure from pump or compressor, and of course we need fluid. For this case, we use water. Why we use Bernoulli's principle for our project? This is because based on the principle, the relation between pressure, velocity, and elevation was very suitable for this project. And for this project, it really causes a pressure difference when a fast gas stream is injected into the atmosphere and across the top of the vertical tube. The pressure difference was between the liquid in the tube and the lower pressure in the gas stream, and it will push the liquid inside the bottle into the moving stream of air where it is broken up into small droplets, and this is air atomization. Not to forget, we need to take a note to the liquid properties, which is surface tension, viscosity, and density.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Cikgu Muhammad Nazmi bin Cikgu Muhammad Amel. I'm from BMMA 2/1. Today, I want to show how to develop a mini atomizer. Okay, the equipment that we need are first a can, secondly two straw with different diameter, and the last one that we need are a pump with a meter pressure. Okay, so I want to show you how to carry out this experiment. Okay, firstly, we need to put the nozzle inside the straw like this. After that, we fill this can with 300 ml of water. After that, we put the straw inside the can like this. So first, I pump with a few times to let the air come out of the nozzle through the upper part of the straw. This will reduce the pressure. So the difference in pressure will cause the water come out of the straw. Okay, after done this, I will show you the real experiment after this.
Hi, I'm Fatin. So, I will show you the result for our project. So, this is our result. From the data result, the observation have blowout and also not blowout. So, what the causes to make the water blow out and not blow out? This is our project look alike. To achieve our project, the length of the straw and the diameter of exit tube should be considered. The Bernoulli principle had been applied to our project. In order to make the water blow out, we need to increase our velocity at that region. We can increase the velocity by decrease the diameter of the exit tube. When fluid flow through a small cross section, it gains velocity and kinetic energy. To conserve total energy, it must lose pressure at the exit tube. So it will make the fluid flow from the left to the right. Then it will force the water to flow out from the tube. The length of the straw also should not be too long. If the straw is too long, it will increase in height. As the height is increased, it required a lot of pressure to make the water rise up. So, in order to make our atomizer is successful, the Bernoulli principle must be applied.
Hi, my name is Siti Aisha. To summarize the experiment that we have been done, we can conclude that our mini atomizer is very successfully created because we are following the Bernoulli's principle, which is the principle is about when the speeds of the fluid increase, the pressure will be decreased. As you can see from our experiment, we have been using a different size of straw and different length of the straw. It is because you can see that the size and the length of the straw will be influencing the pressure, the velocity, the time taken of the experiment so that the water can be spread out. So basically our mini atomizer is a very simple product that can explain how the Bernoulli's principle works on something. From the discussion and the result, we can prove that our products work very well.